If you are living in the UAE and you've got just 365 dirhams, you might be thinking, that's not enough to invest, right? That's wrong. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to invest 365 dirham in the UAE and turn that small amount into the starting point of your financial freedom. Whether you are a student, an expat, even worker, or a stay-at-home parent, you can start investing without waiting to have thousands in your bank account. I will cover real legal and practical investment options available in the UAE, how to avoid scams, and how to create a plan that actually grow your money. I will also give you examples and step-by-step sign-offs and tips on choosing the right investment for your goals. Stay with me till the end because I'll reveal a strategy that could potentially turn 365 dirham into 10,000 dirham over time without risk. Many people in the UAE believe that investing is only for the rich. But the truth is, small investment compounds over the time. And thanks to power of reinvestment, even as little as 1 dirham, if invested wisely and consistently, can grow into hundreds or thousands. The mindset shift you need is very simple. It's not about the amount you start with, but the habits you create. If you start with 365 dirham and then invest the same amount every month or even every quarter, you have trained your money to work for you instead of just sitting in your bank or your wallet. I'll give you an example where people start with even less and build profitable portfolios over time. So in the UAE, you have access to a regulated investment platform that allows you to start with as little as 5 dirhams in certain funds, plus digital tools which now made it easy to invest without you needing a financial advisor. Now, let me take you through the top 5 ways you can invest 365 dirham in the UAE today. Before we dive in, if you're ready to master your money and unlock your full potential, hit the like button, subscribe to Choma Ray, and make sure you turn on your notification bell so you will never miss a powerful insight. Once again, welcome my beautiful and amazing subscriber. How are you all doing? So happy to have you guys. If you're just seeing or coming across my video for the first time, my name is Choma. So thanks for joining me. Now, let's hop in. The first one is fractional US and global stock. There are different UAE apps from like Sarwa, eToro, and Baraka allows you to buy fractional shares of big companies like Apple, Tesla, and Amazon, starting from as little as 5 dirhams. That means you don't need the thousands to own a piece of these companies. So with just 365 dirhams, you could split your money into 4 to 5 companies and start building your stock portfolio. The UAE Central Bank also approved brokers that make this safe if you choose licensed platform. So I will walk you through downloading Sarwa, signing up with Emirates ID, and linking your bank account in a minute if you're ready to do that. Number 2 is gold saving plan. Dubai and Abu Dhabi are hot for gold trading. With apps like Emirates NBD Gold investment accounts or UAE Gold stock dealers. With digital plans, you can buy gold from as little as 10 dirham. Gold is a hedge against inflation, meaning it keeps its value even when prices go up. If you invested your 365 dirham in gold like 5 years ago, it will be worth more today, plus you sell anytime for cash. The number 3 is UAE Exchange Trusted Fund. ETF like basket of different investments. You can buy an ETF that holds 500 of the biggest US stock companies or an ETF that tracks global technology stocks. Many UAE brokers offer ETFs starting from $50. ETF spread your risks because you are not putting all your money into the company. The S&P 500 ETF has historically returned around 10% annually over a long period of time. The next one, number 4, is peer-to-peer lending platform. Platform like Beehive in the UAE allows you to lend small amounts to businesses in exchange for interest payments. This can give you a return between 6% and 12% annually, depending on the risk level. You could also split your 365 dirhams into multiple small loans. So even if one business struggles, the others keep paying you. Number 5 will be robo-advisor for beginners. If you don't want to pick investment yourself, robo-advisors like Sarwa Invest or Wahid Invest will build a portfolio for you based on your risk tolerance. You answer a few questions, deposit your 365 dirhams, and the algorithm invests for you in a mix of stock, bonds, and other assets. Now let's quickly create a sample investment plan. Imagine you have 365 dirhams today and you want to start small but consistent. All you need to do is to open an account with Sarwa, verify with Emirates ID, deposit 200 dirhams to buy fractional US stock like Apple, Microsoft, or Google. 2, you can use 100 dirham to buy gold through Emirates NBD's gold savings account. This will be your safety assets. Then 3, invest the remaining 65 dirhams in an ETF that tracks the global stock market. Over time, reinvest any profits you have. This diversified plan spreads your money across tech companies, precious metals, and global economy, reducing risks. But hey, be careful. If someone promises to double your 365 dirham in a week, it's almost always a scam. Only invest through licensed and regulated platforms. The UAE Security and Commodity Authority and the Dubai Financial Service Authority regulate legitimate investment services. So before signing up, check their license on the official websites. The truth is, you don't need to wait until you have 10,000 dirhams to start investing. Your 365 dirham can be the first seed of your financial tree. So if you invest consistently, learn along the way and reinvest your profit, you can build a wealth right here in the UAE. So don't wait for the right time, because the right time is now. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more UAE investment tips, and share this with a friend who needs to start their journey. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your friend. Thanks for watching. Bye. At last, I don't record one video today. Cheers.